Mashabiki ma ceceni Inooro TV na Inooro FM kiroko kia umuthi matigitwo na kiha kinene thutha wa presenter mendete kumuthikiriria muno kwa Inooro FM oho na kumwirorera kwa Karavision ya Inooro TV oikaine ta Wambui wa Muturi uria na ritwa ringi oikaine ta Ndagitari kurumira tabarira iria tabanagia ya uria Ndagitari o muthenya wa Monday nginya Friday kwambiriria thinacara cia hwaini magithurima maundu megie ugima mwega wa mwiri na unfortunately Wambui wa Muturi ni akorwo akirekereria gitumi giake gia gutira wira umuthi ceceni na Inooro FM gutherera haria akorwo akiumbura ndeto yake hakinene na kuga something unusual happened to her kiroko kia umuthi haria arokire guthie thibitari thutha wa kurwara Hinahi akiuga her asthmatic condition attacked her na she needed emergency response haria Kûhanyûkio Hinahi thibitari ni umwe wa Kiambu Road na we wish her quick recovery. Wambui akionania mbica ciake akiamukira urigiti na akomete thibitari na kuheana more details ciĩgiĩ this fateful morning kuhetukira mutambo wake wa Facebook akiuga ati chest pains, malaise and lethargy, God heal me daddy, I have served your humanity since the birth to media to your kingdom, name them just like Hezekiah, I lay my plea for your advocacy, you told me clearly to be preaching to your people that ugima mwega wa mwiri ni kirathimo, I have done it faithfully and beyond stretches of my body strength and elasticity. God, remember the people I bail out secretary without publicity. Oho agithie na mbere na kuga to every sick patient, remember them whether at palliative, home care, ward or emergency asthmatic patients. I feel you much more, one day tutapona. Thank you Lord for giving me the best team at AAL Hospital Kiambu Road to rescue me during the emergency attack. Not forgetting gutuma ndumiriri ya apologies kuria thikiriria show yake ya kiroko ceceni na Inooro FM akiuga to my massive radio morning listeners, sio kazi niligomea leo, ni mwili imeongea ikasema no, give us a rest. My shaping has been too costly and painful. I can't wait to see the end result of what God is molding out of me the whole of this 30 something years. It better be great. God my Father, health is wealth, people be grateful always. Hashtag mimi ni matokeo ya rehema. Urigi tukimwendithiria kuhona kwa naihenya ona colleagues ake, other media personalities oho na mashabiki make makeyumiria kumwikiria ndumiriri cia kumumiriria mahindani maya thibitari matongoirio ni Waithĩramu ithĩrania HSC akiuga may God restore your health dear sister, praying for you, have faith. MC Jimmy Kajimo nake akiuga we pray for quick recovery, may God remember you. Onake shabiki ũyũ wake Moses Wachira wa muhitwa akimwira that is an evil attack cause of your great work of ministry and the devil is defeated cause we are praying for you. Tugitanya she will recover as soon as possible niguo athie na mbere gutungatira Ngai kugerera wira wake wa media haria still media fraternity yamukirite igutha inene thutha wa favorite top Kikuyu female presenter oho na muini wigatu atangathite gutiga wira wa umemerekia kuria akoretwo agitabania show ya Mugithi Express na muini Karoka True ni atigite mashabiki make ma show yake ya Mugithi Express Karavision ni ya Githima TV haria arekereirie ndumiriri yake ya farewell nenda-ini ciake akiuga goodbye ati hi guys, due to unavoidable circumstances I have quit working with Githima TV. I'll be updating you where we will be catching up. Hashtag peace of mind. Karo akiuga ni agukorwo akiuga kuria marinyitanagira na mafans make akiuga she has chosen to quit her job for her own peace of mind. Ciono Karoka True ni akoretwo na situations dito egie ndwari ya muthuri wake muini Peter Miracle Bebe uria rathie na mbere kwamukira treatment yake thibitari ni munene wa Kenyatta National Hospital. Onake tukimuhoera kuhona kwa naihenya na tukendithiria Karoka True best wishes to her new endeavors.